Once look at this problem, just understand this problem. A1, A2, A3 and so on up to the AN, A49 are in AP. These are in AP such that sigma A4K plus 1, A4K plus 1, where K is varying from 0 to the 12, which was given as 416, and A9 plus A43, which was given as 66. And if and A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square plus and so on up to the A17 square is equal to 140m. Then what is the value of the m? Then m is equal to how much? So this is the problem which were asked in the GMAIN 2018. This is the G level problem. Once understand that problem. So the sequence was given in the AP. In the sequence, sum of all these terms were given as 416, and sum of the 9th term and 43rd term was given as 66. And sum of the squares of the first 17 terms of the AP were given as 140m. Then what is the value of the m? Okay. First listen this carefully. To solve this, since they have given that sigma K is equal to 0 to the 12, A4K plus 1, this value was given. So if we expand this sigma, what is this terms are representing? First keep K is equal to 0 in that. Take K is 0, this is A1. That is the first
A1.
term place. Take K is equal to 2. Sorry, K is equal to 1. 4 into 1 plus 1, that is A5. Next, take K is equal to 2, that is A9. Plus like that. Lastly, keep the K is equal to 12. 12 4s are 48 plus 1, that is A49. So this entire summation was given as 416. Okay. So the sum of all these terms were given as 416. Means if you observe all these terms, this is the first term, fifth term, fourth term, ninth term, etc. Means the sum of every 4 terms, the difference between them is the 4. Understand?
4.
Now, generally, for an AP sequence, the first term will take then A plus, what is the fifth term of the AP?
A plus 4D.
A plus 4D. Ninth term?
A plus
A plus
8D.
A plus
A plus
8D.
8D.
8D. Then like that, what is the last term? A plus 49?
A plus 48D.
48D. So that was given as 416. Okay. Now, if you observe this series, in this series, tell me total how many terms are there?
13.
13 terms. Because 0 to the 12 are there here. 0 to the 12 means total there will be the 13 terms are there. In every term there is a means how many A's will be there?
13.
13.
13 A's.
13.
Plus. From all the D terms they equate 4D, 8D, next you will get the 12D, 16D, etc. From all these D terms I can take the 4D common.
4D.
4D I will take the common. Remaining is 1 plus. Here it is a
1
2 plus,
plus, 2
3
plus.
plus, and so on up to the 12 will be there, which is
3
given as
plus.
416. Okay. Now it is 13A plus 4D into this represents the sum of the first 12 natural numbers.
12 natural
Formula is
numbers. Yes.
Yes.
N into N
N
plus 1
N
by
to N
2.
plus
N
1
plus
by
1
2.
by 2.
That is 12 into 13 by 2.
12.
13.
12 by 2 means
6
36
by
into
13.
13 is equal to 416, right? Now, these terms on both the side I can divide it by 13. I can divide it by 13, then we are getting that A plus 6 4s are 24D is equal to, so 13 3s are 39, remaining 26, 13 2s are. Call that is equation number say 1. A plus 24D is 32. Okay, that is one equation is given. And they have given one more condition, that A9 plus A49, which is 66. A9 plus A49 was given as 66. So A9 plus A43, sorry, which is given as 66. What is the A9? A plus
A plus
A
8
plus
D.
A plus
8D.
8D plus A43 is
A plus
A plus
42
A plus 42D.
is equal to 66. Now it is A plus A, that is 2A plus
2A.
42 plus 8, that is
50D.
50D
plus
is
50D.
equal to 66. Now
Divide by 2.
divided by 2, then we'll get that A plus
Plus
25D
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 is equal
is
to
equal to
33. Call that is equation number say 2. Now we will solve equation 1 and 2. If you solve them, I will subtract these two. If I subtract these two, where A and A gets
D
cancelled,
equals to
25 minus 24, that is 1D is equal to
D equal
33
to 1.
minus 32 is 1. Means D is equal to 1. Means we got that value of the D is 1. And what is the value of the A? Keep that D is equal to 1 here.
8. 8.
A is
Eight.
equal to 8. A
8.
is equal to 8. Okay.
8.
So this is the first term and the common difference we got it. So therefore, what will be that AP? First term is 8. Second term D is 1 means 9, 10,
9,
10,
10,
etc.
11.
Up to where last term is 49th term. 49th term is A plus 48D. A plus 48D. A means 8 plus 48, that is
56.
56.
56.
This is that AP. Okay. Now they have given that, I will write that here. They have given that A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square and so on up to the A17 square, which was given as 140M. That was given, right? A1 square. A1 means that is the first term. What is the first term?
8 square
8
8 square plus A2
plus
means
9
9
square.
square plus
9
and so
square.
on. What
10.
will be the 17th term? A17 is
24.
17th
8
term.
plus
That is
17.
24.
A17 means A plus 16D.
Plus 16D.
A means 8 plus 16. That is 24.
24
Square was given as 140M. Okay. But how do you evaluate this? So to evaluate this, we know that sum of the first n square natural number formula, we know it. That is from 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to the n square formula, we know it. But here, this starting from the 8 square. So we will add the before sum of this. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square, we will add it and we will subtract them. Add up to the 7 square, this is going to give sum of the 24 square natural number. The formula for it is n into
24 natural
24.
N plus 1 into
N
N
plus 1 into 2, N plus 1 by 6.
6. So n means 24 into 25 into 2n plus 1. 2 into 24 plus 1.
into
That is 49 by 6.
6.
Then I will subtract the first 7 square terms. So first 7 square means that is n is 7 there. 7 into 7 plus 1,
7
8
into
into 2 into 7 plus 1. That is 15 by 6.
15
That is equal to 140M. This was given as 140M. We have to find the value of the M from this. So here 6 ones are, 6 fours gets cancelled.
6 fours are.
3 twos are, 3 fives are gets cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 fours are gets cancelled. Okay. Now on both the side I can divide it by 5 also. That is a 4 into 5 into 49 minus 7 fours are 28 is equal to divided by 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 eights are gets cancelled. Okay. Now divided by 7 also on both the sides. I can divide by the 28. 7 sevens are and 7 fours are 28. 28 gets cancelled. So 35 minus 1 is equal to M. Therefore the value of the M is 36. 34. M value is 34. Okay. So like that we can simplify it. Since it is a G-main problem, in this problem nothing is difficult. Everything we know it. All the formulas and everything we know it. but only the thing is that the number of steps. So means this problem you have to solve as quick as possible. Okay, so all the GMAIN questions will be of this type only. This level problems only will be there. Means it will take the time. So to minimize the time, we have to improve the fastness skills while doing the calculations itself. Okay, take that problem.
चलने चले तुम्हें तारों के शहर में धरती पे दुनिया हमें
क्या दीपिका, अच्छा गाना है. हो गया?
Sir,
Screen
can
is
you please
blurred.
take a screenshot and send
Yes,
it on WhatsApp because of network problem I am unable to see.
Okay. I didn't get it. A lot of disturbance here.
Screen is blurred.
Screen is blur.
Sir, can you please
No, sir,
take
all
a
clear.
No, sir.
screenshot and
All
send it on
clear.
WhatsApp